Hey everyone, this is the Ridge MagSafe Wallet. It's like carbon fiber 3K. A carbon fiber wallet that snaps right to your phone. Explain to hold 12 cards. FDI blocking. It will be really strong. It looks premium, feels strong, and costs quick a bit. Let's see if it's really profit. The packaging in clean and minimal, typical right style. Inside they got the wallet itself and info, a little info code. First impression, super light and very rigid, thanks to be a real 3K carbon fiber. It's just one card. If you don't have a MagSafe, this is adapter. First and second. So maybe holder for your car, home and wherever. Okay, I have a few cards. Let's try it. It's like a this holder for real money. Here we go. But if you need like Tesla card, maybe it's not comfortable to take it. but it's very strong. Case for 17 Pro Max. Yeah. If you're running, it's not using just SR. Let's test the MagSafe straight, but it's a little bit straight. Magnet not strong, but it's okay. It's fine. If you can check the phone, it still holds, but not strong yet. It's like, that's it. Let's test it in real life. Thank you for your